Outstanding design defines the 2013 Infiniti G37. This two-door, four-passenger coupe leads among competitors in its segment. Infiniti made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, and leather upholstery. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.